So question number 3 it is given. How many seconds are there in a leap year? Express it in standard form. So you have to find out the number of seconds in a leap year. So one leap year equal to 366 days. Now these days, if you write into hour, in one day it is 24 hour. So if you multiply 366 into 24, it is converted to hours. But we need the answer in second. Now this hour, if you multiply into 60, this hour is now converted to minute. Now this minute, if you multiply by 60 again, since 60 second equal to 1 minute, so if you multiply with 60, we get the answer in second. Now on multiplication we get 3, 1, 6, 2, 2, 4, 0, second. So 1 leap year is equal to 3162240 second. So this is the total number of seconds in a leap year. Now next part, it is given write in standard form. Now in standard form, first we'll remove the 0, that means 3162224 into 10 to the power 120 is there, so 10 to the power 2. Now you look, it is in the form p into 10 to the power n, but here the value of p is more than 10, so we'll write this one 3.16224. Now you should make this value equal to this value, so you have to multiply 10 to the power 1 2 3 4 5, 10 to the power 5. Now already 10 to the power 2 is there, so into 10 to the power 2. So your required answer will be 3.16224 into 10 to the power 7, which is in the standard form. Question number 4 is given. If the velocity of light is 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, the velocity of light is given 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, then calculate the distance traveled by light in a light year. Okay. Now a light year means the distance covered by light in 1 year. So 1 light year means the total distance covered by light in 1 year. So then you have to find out the total distance traveled by the light, then express it in the standard form. For this, first of all, we have to find out what is the total number of seconds in 1 year. So 1 year is equal to your 365 days. Now if you multiply the days into 24, it becomes now hour. If you multiply with 60, it becomes now minute. Again if you multiply with 60, it becomes now your second. So on calculating, you will get the value 31536 second. So this is the total second in 1 year. Now the velocity of light is what? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. That means in 1 second the light covered this much distance. Then you have to find out what is the total distance covered in this much second. So we'll write distance covered in 1 second equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter. This is the total distance covered in 1 second. You have to find the distance covered in this much second. Therefore distance covered in 31536 second equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 into 31536 this much meter. Now on multiplying 3 to this, you will get 94608 000 into 10 to the power 8. Now look, if you remove the 0, then you can write 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 8. Now look, you are getting 94608 into a to the power m into a to the power n, that is a to the power m plus n. So 3 plus 8. Next line, you'll get 94608 into 10 to the power 3 plus 8, 11. So it is in the form p into 10 to the power n, which is the standard form. P into 10 to the power n, this is the standard form. Now the value of p should be less than 10, but it is greater than 10. So we'll write here 9.4608, but this value should be equal to 94608. So we have to multiply with 10 to the power 1234 into 10 to the power 11. So last line you will get 9.4608 into 10 to the power 4 plus 11 is a 15, which is the required distance. So question number 5 is given the speed of an airplane is 1240 km per hour. Find the distance covered by the airplane in 3 hours 20 minutes. Also express the distance in scientific notation. So first we will convert 3 hours 20 minutes into minute. So 3 hours, if you convert into minute, it will be 3 into 60. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 3 or 3 into 60 plus 20. So this is converted to minute. So 3 6 180 plus 20, that means 200 minutes. The plane cover this much kilometer in per hour, that means in 60 minutes. So we'll write distance covered by airplane in 60 minutes, that means in 1 hour, is your 1240 kilometer. It is given in the question. Distance covered in 60 minutes equal to this much. You have to find the distance covered in 3 hours 20 minutes, that means in 200 minutes. So next line will write distance covered by airplane in 1 minute. So it will be your divide now 1240 by 60 kilometer. So this is the distance covered in 1 minute, and you need to find out the distance for 200 minutes. So in the next line, distance covered by airplane in 200 minutes, that means 3 hours 20 minutes. So 1 minute this much, 200, you have to multiply. So we'll write 1240 by 60 into 200. 0 0 cancel, by 3 by 2 3 times, by 200 times. So you are getting 12400 by 3 kilometer. Next line you will get on dividing 4133.33 kilometer, but also write the answer or express the distance in scientific notation. That means we have to write in the form p into 10 to the power n, where the value of p should be less than 10. So this thing we can write 4.133 into 10 to the power 123. So this is your required answer in the standard form, which is in the pattern p into 10 to the power n.